Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. The smartwatch today doesn't need connection to smartphone. Many of them have built-in SIM card and support for 3G or even 4G networks. Moreover, some of them have built-in camera. In this video, I want to talk about one of the best Android smartwatch from China. It is quite difficult to find good Android smartwatch from famous brand except Apple or Samsung. But maybe it is better, because the Chinese manufacturers release very interesting gadgets, and Zeblaze company is one of them. The latest product is Zeblaze THOR PRO, and we already have first hands-on video and specifications, so we can make first review. More details about this smartwatch and where to buy it you can find in description. New smartwatch doesn't look like its predecessor. It has completely new sporty design with big screen. On the right side you can find two buttons and camera, while on the left there is a slot for SIM card. The backside has magnetic charging connectors and heart rate monitor. In general, Zeblaze THOR PRO is made of steel alloy body, but the strip is silicon. Talking about display, there is 1.53-inch diagonal and 320 by 320 pixels resolution. This is full-color IPS panel with detailed and bright image. Also, the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. I want to note that the display is full round. As you remember, some Android smartwatches has black bar at the bottom. However, Zeblaze THOR PRO has completely round display, and it is amazing. The processor, RAM and other stuff are not so important for smartwatches. However, talking about Zeblaze THOR PRO, I want to note about hardware, because it looks very interesting. New smartwatch is powered by MediaTek MT6580 quad-core chipset, 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory. By the way, Zeblaze THOR PRO runs on Android 5.1 operating system, and it has built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, SIM card slot with 2G and 3G support. As you can see, it doesn't differ from budget phone, except small display. The battery is very important for smartwatch. It's a pity, but there is no really good smartwatch with long battery life. Modern smartwatches work the same as smartphones, about 1 or 2 days on a single charge. Zeblaze THOR PRO is no exception. It is equipped with 500 mAh battery, and it provides up to 2 days of battery life. Talking about features of Zeblaze THOR PRO, there are so much, but I want to tell you about the main one. Of course, there is a heart rate monitor, steps and calories count, sleep monitor, and other functions that every fitness tracker has. If we talk about really interesting functions, then Zeblaze THOR PRO supports SIM cards, so you can receive and make calls, and even surf in internet. The smartwatch runs on Android 5.1, so you can install different apps. Also, it has built-in 2-megapixel camera. As you understand, the photo and video quality is weak, but it will be useful when the phone is discharged. The smartwatch is connected to smartphone via VI Watch app. Here you can see steps, heart rate, position and other functions. Right now, there is a flash sale on GearBest, and the price of Zeblaze THOR PRO is only $85. The sale price will be until May 14th, so you should hurry up. I think it is very interesting deal, because the smartwatch has amazing round screen, Android operating system, good hardware and even SIM card support. You can make calls from smartwatch on any phone. Yes, it will be a little strange for the people around you, but to call from the watch, I imagine the future like this. Thanks for watching. In description you can find more details about smartwatch and where to buy it cheaper. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.